Hey guys, good news. I may have a solution for you. If you got these, that's from your keys. So today we're gonna replace it with our Eastwood Motors plastic covers for the top lid on your center console. Works for GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado. 1500, 2500, and 3500. Alright, let's get started. First thing, please raise your top storage lid. Now you're gonna need this right here. Looks like a star. Okay. Then there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes that you're gonna have to remove screws from. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now put the tool away and see the plastic over here, the bottom. You're gonna need some kind of thing like this. That's a beer opener. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Right here, hook it out from the bottom while holding any corner, at least for that one. You just pull it towards me, and then the lid will come off. Okay, so it's not gonna break, don't worry. Now you have these 2 screws in the center. They're on the plastic, not on the metal. You have to remove them as well. Alright, let's remove this panel right here. Just pull it towards you and put it away. Now you have these screws right here. So you have to leave that piece of cloth here. These 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 4 screws, they're the ones that are actually holding the lid plastic. So we're gonna remove it. Then 3. Then 4. Okay, once you've done that, lower the lid and lift up this piece that had scratches. Okay, all right, quick side by side. This is OEM, very flat. You can see all the flaws and scratches on it easily. And this is Eastwood Motors custom. As you can see, it has this little bumps on the surface. It helps to prevent scratches. It's not 100% scratch free, but it works. Okay, what do you think? This one, right? Next step will be transferring this rubber piece in the center to this piece. You will need some kind of pry tool for that, and you can just do it right here. Just be careful not to scratch the rubber piece. Okay, and it just pops off. So this one, you can just get rid of it. And look at this shiny, nice looking piece. All right, pop right in. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? All right, let's put it on. Lower the top storage lid. Insert your new piece right here. Beautiful. All right. Now grab the screws and then start inserting them back where they were. Okay. So right here is one. There you go. And then use your tool to screw it back in. Okay, that's one. Okay, nice and tight too. Then right here on the bottom. Make sure it's all aligned there. Okay, 3. And 4. Okay. Alright, leave it there. So now you're gonna need to put this piece right back. So same way as you took it off, you're gonna have to align it here. And then use the same screws as you used. Make sure to press with your finger on the plastic to really press it down. Alright, now use these screws right here to put them right here in these 2 holes. One, and then 2. Alright, now the last step will be to put this plastic right in. So you're just gonna slide it like that in, right here, like that, and then you press. Okay. Alright, done. Let's close it up. Let's make sure that the lock closes perfectly. Sometimes if you didn't align it properly right here, the lock will not align with this hole right here, and then it will prevent you from closing it. It will be like stopping all the time. So in our case, it's straight. Beautiful. Final look. Look at that texture. I like it a lot. And this is the old OEM plastic. Yeah, just throw it away. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Click like, subscribe, and you can use our link to order these plastic pieces for your center consoles. Alright, enjoy. Bye bye. Thank you.